Welcome to the PrimoInsure Statement walkthrough. I'm excited to guide you through this interactive experience where we'll explore the innovative features that make this statement more than just a document. It's a powerful tool. Let me introduce myself. I am Jonathan, the head of the household for the Robertson family. Usually, when I received my old school statement from my insurance provider, I got anxious and, to be frank, sometimes confused trying to understand it. When I open my new PrimoInsure statement, I am greeted with an inviting and easy-to-understand summary. I can see at a glance what is owed and the actions I need to take. What I really appreciate about my statement is how easy it is to manage everything in one place. I don't even need to leave the statement to settle any outstanding payments. It's all right here, seamless and convenient. Let me take you on a quick tour of my statement. I'll walk you through the features and show you just how easy it is to stay on top of everything. I can breathe easy knowing exactly what's covered here. I can see that both of my properties and cars are insured, along with my portable possessions and additional personal liability coverage. It's all laid out clearly for me. Here's a personalized video made just for me, designed to walk me through my insurance statement, just like I'm showing you now. I love how the video is both interactive and tailored to my needs. It makes it so much easier to understand my insurance coverage and even gives me helpful reminders to take action when needed. If I ever need more detail on how my premium is broken down, this section lays it out in a way that's easy to understand. Everything is clear and straightforward. The offers I receive from PrimoInsure in my statement are never intrusive and always tailored to my needs. I can easily download the app or take up an offer for discounted roadside assistance, right here with just a click. I also make sure to follow PrimoInsure on my favorite social media channels. It's a fantastic way to stay updated with the latest information and be part of a larger community. Engaging with their posts and updates not only keeps me informed, but also allows me to share my own experiences and learn from others. I think it's time to check what I need to do next and see what those 4 messages are all about. All right, let's dive into the My Actions section of my PrimoInsure statement. This is where things get really handy. First up, I've got a reminder to complete my pre-inspection sheet. Almost forgot about that. Lucky for me, right? And check this out. I'm getting a heads up on an upcoming rate increase. Not exactly something to look forward to, but hey, no surprises here. Plus, I spotted a message about new rewards and, even better, new ways to save on my insurance. Guess I'm in the business of saving too. Oh, and instead of burying amendments in a maze of fine print, like who has time for that? PrimoInsure just highlights the change for me. Super easy. So yeah, it feels good knowing PrimoInsure's got my back and makes it clear what my next best step is. I'm all about that. And right here in my statement, I've got the option to print my proof of insurance cards. Sure, I know I can do this on the website or somewhere in the mobile app, but having the option right here exactly when I need it makes life so much easier. If I need assistance or want to file a claim, I can start the process right from within my super statement. No need to hunt around on the website or mobile app. And if I'd rather speak to my broker in person, his contact details are right here at my fingertips. Easy, right? If I really need to view all the details of my policy, I can just click here to get the full policy, complete with all the wording, fine print, and of course, jargon. Downloading a PDF or printing it? Yep, just a click away. Honestly though, like most people, I rarely look at this document. But it's comforting to know that with my PrimoInsure statement, I almost never have to. It's easy to understand and gives me all the details and assistance I need. Now let me show you what I mean. Oh, and it's really comforting to know that PrimoInsure takes the privacy of my information seriously. They never share or use my personal info without my permission. It's nice knowing my details are safe and sound. Let's continue the tour, shall we? Let's take a look at what's in the My Products section of my statement. Here's a handy menu where I can choose exactly what I want to see. Let's take a look at the buildings I've got insured. All the important details for my properties are right here, including a breakdown of how much of my premium covers each one. And if I spot something that's out of date or needs updating, I can instantly link to Primo Insure's website to make the change. Simple as that. Let's take a look at the insurance details for my Ford and Audi while we're here. As I check out my Audi's details, I see that Primo Insure has me listed as the registered owner. Actually, my partner Catherine is the owner, so let's get that change squared away. Zimzalabim. Done in record time. Let's move along. What I love is how everything's laid out so clearly. Need more details? One simple click, and it's all there. No need to wade through a mountain of policy pages. Seriously, who's a fan of all that legalese? Here, I can check out my cover, see if I've got car hire, and even learn how Primo Insure will help me recover my car if it's stolen. It's reassuring to know I'm fully protected. I really like how I can not only see the premium breakdown for my vehicle, but I can also take action, like updating the insured value of my Audi. That might help balance out that premium increase. I also see a handy offer to upgrade my car hire from 30 to 60 days, which, after my last repair experience, is definitely something to think about. Now my son David just got his license, not sure whether to be proud or a little nervous. Before I add him to my policy, I've got a few questions. Let's see if Aya, the built-in assistant, can help me out so I don't have to call Primo Insure. Chatting with Aya is nothing like those outdated chatbots from the past. Aya's on top of everything, not just the fine print in my policy, but also all the services and products Primo Insure offers. After a quick and super helpful chat, I know exactly what steps to take to get David behind the wheel of the Audi with full coverage and peace of mind. Even though I know we're fully covered, is it a little crazy that I'm still worried about my son behind the wheel of my beloved Audi? I mean, insurance is great, but my nerves, they might need some coverage too. Since I'm here and thinking about it, I want to double check that my laptop and phone are fully covered, even when I'm out and about. I really appreciate how clean and simple this statement is. Everything's easy to find, and if I need more info, it's just a click away. Looks like my Dell and iPhone are already covered for all risks, so that's a weight off my mind. One of the great perks of being with Primo Insure is how they keep an eye on my driving. And in a good way. They track our safe driving habits and actually reward us for it. We're talking cash back in the pocket and even bigger discounts that show up when it's time to renew. So, not only does safe driving keep us safer on the road, but it also helps us save big. It's like getting paid to do something we should be doing anyway. Who doesn't love that? It's also really reassuring to know I can check the details Primo Insure has on record for me. And if anything needs updating, it's just a click away. If I spot something that needs tweaking, one click takes me right to the spot to make the update. No need to leave my statement, pick up the phone, or navigate the website to figure out where to do it. Plus, if I do need to talk to someone, the call me back option is right here. Super convenient. I've got to say, I love how this statement is designed to help me at the exact moment I need it. Even with the most intelligent statement, Primo Insure knows that sometimes nothing beats speaking to a real person. That's why I love having options. Whether it's using the Call Me Back feature or jumping into a real-time chat whenever it suits me, I can engage on my terms. It's all about having the freedom to choose how I get help, and that makes a world of difference. When I spoke with Anna about my upcoming policy renewal, she immediately gave me some great options to save on my premium by bundling another policy. The whole process was smooth and effortless, completely different from the headaches I had with my old insurer. It's nice to finally have something that just works without any fuss. My partner Catherine, who is legally blind, struggled with previous insurance statements. They just weren't accessible. But with Primo Insure, that's changed. She was genuinely excited to find that these statements are designed to be inclusive for everyone, regardless of ability. The text can be enlarged, contrast adjusted, or even read aloud, making it easy for her to engage independently. It's reassuring to know that Primo Insure cares about accessibility and making their services usable for all. If I had preferred, I could have done all of this on my mobile. The statement offers the same great experience whether I'm on my computer, mobile phone, or tablet. As you can see, the content has auto-magically rearranged itself to perfectly fit my phone screen. No more pinching, zooming, or scrolling in all directions. Just a smooth, mobile-native view. It's great to know that the statement was designed to work seamlessly on my phone as well as on a computer. Such a stark contrast to clunky PDFs. So, that's my new Gen Primo Insure statement. A game changer, right? It's everything I expect. Innovative, engaging, and most importantly, efficient. From managing my policy to taking action, it's all right here at my fingertips.